Hello coders, I have come up with another Excel video. In this Excel video, I will be discussing upon formatting of cell ranges. So as you can see that in front of me there is a set of data. Now if every alternative row, that is say maybe every alternative row, if it has if it had some color formatting, then it would have looked nice, and the user could the I mean the data would have been more attractive and more viewable. So to for applying color formatting to every alternative row, to achieve the goal, think of something like this, that there are some events and there are some odds. So Bhagesh Jain, after that C, so A, after then C, so these are all odd numbers, 1 3, and we have some even. So if I select from this range of cell, this is the range of cell. If I say odd, odd means BDE, something like that. So what I will be doing is that based on this particular thinking set, we will be going to conditional formatting, and then we will be applying a new rule, and this new rule will be a custom rule. So use a formula. I will be applying some formula. So equal to is even, is odd, maybe 1 3 is odd. I have written add, it will be is odd. Let me zoom the screen a bit so that it is more viewable. So I am writing is odd. So this is odd will be taking into account, I mean need to be taking into account what? So I have some, in the ranges I have some columns. So I will be writing column. So column is a function, that means bracket open, bracket close, and then we will be taking, so this is the formula. Now let me zoom out and apply some formatting. You can apply whatever formatting, and maybe the fill will be something like, there will be this is the fill color, and maybe the font will be bold, and the color might be maybe blue. Okay, fine, say okay and press ok. So see, is odd, I said is odd. What means one is 1, then 3. So is odd means this one. Let me apply is even. So select this range of cells. So even means 2 3 4. So these applied is odd. Okay, fine. Conditional formatting, go to new rule again. So what I applied is that now let me apply equal to is even, and then again I will be writing equal to column, bracket open, bracket close, for the formula is even, and I will be applying some fill color, maybe green, and then I will be going to the font and applying some font color, maybe it will be some say maybe red, and it will be bold. So this time I have applied is even on columns. Now press ok, and press ok again. Is even means even 1 3, even means 2 3 4. No, so is taking is even means B is okay, so it is taking into account from the A column. So B is even means 2, though I am selecting the range of cells from B, but the Excel is calculating, I think, most probably from the A column. So apply it on your own. So now, as you can preferably assume that now the data set looks more attractive, and and if there are more columns, and it will be more viewable, and now you can simply select this range of cells, the names, and apply some simple cell styles like maybe uh, light blue, and for the total it will be a green one. So press alt equal to is for the shortcut key for the auto sum. Press enter, and then click in here, click in. Okay, so my mouse is working. Okay, fine, here it is. So that's the thing I showed you to you guys. So before ending the video, let me summarize. So what we are trying to do is that we are applying some formatting, that is some designing on some range of cells, and the formula is something like conditional formatting. Condition means the formatting won't be just like that, it would be based on some condition, and we are applying some new rule, and under this new rule we are using a formula. We are telling Excel use some formula, based on that formula apply some color formatting, and what will be the formatting, that equal to is even. If it finds is even on on whom, is even bracket open, inside it we are passing in the column. If it passes if it passes the columns which are even, it will be applying some format, and if it finds some odd, then it will be applying some color format. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you guys and happy coding.